This is how to factory reset, hard reset. This is the ZTE ZMax 11. This is what it looks like. The SKU is Zeta 6251. And let's factory reset it. This one's easy. We're going to hold power and volume up at the same time. Always hold volume first and then hit power. So here we go. Volume up, power. We're going to hold. And when the powered by Android comes up, we can let go. Now we're going to wait just a moment for the Android recovery menu to show up for us. Just a few more seconds wait, and there we are. So we can use the volume on this side, and we're going to scroll down to wipe data factory reset here, and then we'll push OK with power. And then one more time to verify, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. And scroll down once with the volume, and then hit OK with power. Remember, if you've put your Google credentials or your Gmail credentials, you'll still need to log into your Gmail or Google account after you reboot the system. So we can verify down here that the data wipe has been completed, and now it is safe to reboot the system. And that is how you factory reset, hard reset, clean and wipe your ZTE ZMax 11. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.